Ramadan Special is brought to you by Pembe Flour Mills Limited. Pembe, the mark of trusted quality.
Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Ramadan Special. I'm your chef Afra Kerdin and today we'll be making Vitumbua. Our ingredients are rice, iliki, milk powder, yeast, coconut powder, egg whites, oil, sugar and water. So with the quantities, they'll pop up on the screen so you guys can follow it. So for now, we're going to start by blending our ingredients. Then we're going to put our rice last. So we'll start by, we'll add in egg whites, coconut powder, sugar, yeast, mamira, iliki, and milk powder, and also water. So lastly will be your rice. So we blend this first. Okay, then now we're going to add rice and make sure you blend it till it's fine. So I'm going to add rice. And make sure you drain your rice. So what I did, I soaked rice overnight. You should do that. And then you drain the water. And then now we blend it and make sure it's fine. So we'll add all this and then we blend it. Okay. Now we're going to blend it. Okay, now we've blended, it's ready. So now what we need to do is we need to let it set for it to rise slightly. So we're going to give it a few minutes. It usually needs an hour of rest. So I'm going to put it here and then we'll let it rest for a bit and then I'll show you guys how to cook it. Our dough is ready. I had said you keep the dough, you let it rest for an hour. So the dough is ready. Actually, it's just that it needs to rise up a bit. So now it's ready. I just need to mix it. And then, as you can all see, I have a Vitumbua pan. So you use a ladle. This is a ladle. I've mixed it. Now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of oil in each circle. Okay, so I'm putting 1 tablespoon each in one circle. Then we're going to take a ladle, which I showed you guys, and then we're going to put 1 ladle, like 1 scoop of that ladle in here. So 1 is this. Okay, and if you see the ladle, the amount that it has picked is a little, you can add. Like for this one it's little, I'll add a bit. Okay, so now we'll let it cook. So we'll wait for it to solid up and then we can turn. So I'm using let's say a stick or a mushkaki stick to skewer, in other words, to turn the vitumbua. It's not yet. So now they're ready, you just turn them. You need to be very careful. Okay. Okay, so now they're ready. On the other side, now I've turned it for it to cook on the other side as well. Then we shall remove them and they're ready. Our vitumbuas are ready now. I'm just going to remove them. You see it, they're round and nice. And if you want to know they're cooked, like this stick or a skewer, whatever you call it, you can poke it and see if it removes. So now this is rice, it's okay. But if it removes something liquidish, you clearly know that it's not cooked. So our vitumbua are ready now. And it was so simple to make it. Very simple. I hope you've understood the method, ingredients, and how to do it. I think the only problem that you'll have if you don't have this pan at home, I don't think it's possible to make vitumbua, but there is that single karai that someone uses to make the vitumbua. But if you don't have this, then I don't think you can make. So that's the only problem we'll have if you don't have that. Otherwise, it's very simple and it's very easy to make. So if you have any questions, any queries, please just comment. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe onto the channels that I have. And I would like to wish all of you a Ramadan Kareem. Bye-bye.
Ramadan Special was brought to you by Pembe Flour Mills Limited. Pembe, the mark of trusted quality.